Hey guys, good afternoon. Jordan again from Premier Auto Lounge. We are a luxury car dealership in Clearwater, Florida, only bringing you the best specs. And remember, life's too short to drive a boring car. And welcome to a relaxed buying experience. Here in front of me, I have a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This is not your average Silverado, but we'll get into that in a moment. This is a crew cab, black on black, 2-owner, no accident, and this has some really nice aftermarket upgrades. If you are familiar with SCA, this has a full SCA Performance all over the vehicle. So starting from the dual exhaust, as you see in the back, to the 6-inch lift, 20-inch tires, 20-inch wheels. You have the metal side skirts on the side as well, and this thing sounds incredible. You also have the paint match fender flares, which makes the truck look extremely aggressive. And this one has a full undercoating as well to prevent from rust getting deep into the mechanical parts at the bottom of the truck. This does have a full coating at the very bottom as well. This is a local vehicle to us, got traded in. This vehicle is black on black and has a ton of aftermarket accessories from SCA Performance. This has Apex Edition. This is also the Z71 package and the LTZ package. So this one is fully loaded. The SCA Performance was spent about $18,000 to get the truck looking as it sits. And as we move into the side here, you'll see it's a crew cab as mentioned. The back seats look like they've never been sat in. And the front seats are in fantastic condition. Both sides have full electronic on the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Full electronics on both, no manual adjustments. This one has the Bose surround sound. The bigger screen, 4-wheel drive. This one also has heated seats, cooling seats, and more. This one is for sale here in Clearwater, Florida, PremierAutoLounge.com. You can find us on many social platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and a few others as well. Let's go ahead and hop in, start it up, and hear the exhaust. This truck currently has 40,791 miles. Clean dash, of course, no engine light, no mechanical issues, fully inspected and ready to go for the next buyer. This one has the bigger screen, Bose surround sound, heated seats, cooling seats on both sides, dual AC, wheel locks come included, and this one is in amazing shape. Let's go ahead and give it a rev, hear that exhaust. Nice deep rumble. This one is currently listed for sale here at Premier Auto Lounge for $52,000. This has 40,000 miles on the truck and is ready to find its new home here in Florida, or we can ship out of state as well. We work with all states, multiple brokers and shipping companies with $1 million policy insurance to ensure that the truck gets to you safely, on time, and without any damage. Thank you for checking out this very special Apex Edition SCA Performance 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. We look forward to serving you. And remember, life is too short to drive a boring car. See you in the next video.